If you want to ad block in Chrome, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to get it done in just a few minutes. Ad blockers can help reduce annoying pop-ups, skip distracting ads, and make your browsing experience smoother and cleaner. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find a trusted extension, install it properly, and get it working in Chrome. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the browser where you want the ad blocker installed, because the extension will only work inside that Chrome profile. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main options. From the menu, go to Extensions. If you do not see the extension section right away, don't worry. Just follow the path through the menu until you find it. Then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you to the official store where you can safely install browser extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and type Ad Blocker. You'll probably see a lot of results, so take a moment and choose carefully. The goal is to pick a trusted extension with good ratings, plenty of reviews, and a name that looks legitimate. A good example to look for is Adblock, or a similar well-reviewed option such as Adblocker Stands Adblocker. Before installing anything, check the star rating, read a few reviews, and make sure the extension looks popular and reliable. This extra step matters because not every extension is equally trustworthy. Once you've chosen the extension you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a permission prompt explaining what the extension can access. Read it carefully so you understand what you're approving. If everything looks right, click Add Extension. After that, the extension will install automatically. In most cases, it will begin working right away without you needing to do anything else. You may see the extension icon appear near the top right of Chrome, and from there you can usually manage settings, turn it on or off, or customize how it blocks ads. If a website still shows ads after installation, refresh the page once and give the extension a moment to load. Some sites may also have anti-ad block features, so results can vary slightly depending on the page you're visiting. But for most websites, this should immediately improve your browsing experience. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to ad block in Chrome by opening the browser, going to the Chrome Web Store, searching for a trusted ad blocker, and installing it correctly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.